Hey everyone, Srujarma here. Hope you all having good time. Sometimes we are very curious to know when will that person come online, and we end up wasting lot of time checking if that person is online or not. Well, as they said, modern problems do require modern solution. So I made a bot which will notify me whenever the target person comes online and offline as well. In this video, we will be automating this stuff using Python, which is my personal favorite. So let's just move ahead into the video. So here is what I want my bot should do. It should open up my WhatsApp, check if the target person is online and notify me accordingly. To achieve this kind of automation, we will use Selenium. Now, Selenium is a famous open source framework for automating and testing web application, and it is available for many programming languages including Python. To install Selenium, just go to the terminal and type pip install Selenium. That's it. Let's first briefly discuss that how actually are we gonna work with Selenium. Before starting, let me tell you that this is the most basic thing that one can do with Selenium in Python. It's really simple. We need our bot to click on certain web elements in a particular order. Basically, that's it. So the first step is to download the WebDriver. Specifically said, we will be using Chrome driver in this video. WebDriver is none other than a browser. The only thing is that they can hide their internal working with automating tools. If suppose we want to locate this next button, just do a right click on it, click over inspect, and on the right side the button has been highlighted. Now do a right click on it and copy its XPath. XPath is basically one of the locators in Selenium. If you want to know about locators, I will link down the resources below. Alright, let's start the automation. So, first of all, let me quickly write down the code, then we'll make you walk over the entire code. First of all, I have imported some modules including Selenium. We will come back to it soon. This particular line initializes the Chrome driver following with opening of WhatsApp here. Now I need to scan my QR code. So I had given the resting time of 10 seconds to my program here. And here I had located the search button to pass in the name of the target person to be searched. So these two lines does the same for me. Now to get notified when the person is online, here I am using a module Win10 Toast, which basically pushes a desktop notification. Now here I am running an infinite loop to keep checking if that person is online or not, and if that person is online, then it will push a desktop notification. You are feel free to fire an email or a SMS which will be more realistic. Just go and read the description to more about email and SMS notification in Python. You can even run the bot on the cloud so that you don't need to keep your program open all the time, and the bot can run forever. You can do it with just creating a virtual machine in Azure. Well, I just leave this work to you. Now let's see our bot in action. So if you have watched this video till here, then you should get some bonus. If you want to get notified without even writing a single line of code, then you can use the Android application Logify. Basically, it's really simple. I will link it down in the description. Okay, so that is it for this video. If you like this video, make sure to give a thumbs up down below. And if you don't like it, leave a thumbs down. And if you have any doubt regarding this video, feel free to use the comment section. I will try to read all those comments. Okay, so meet you in the next video. Until